Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda 6 29 to 2012 years, 2020 years, 29 to 2020 years. Okay. They have SD card slot and receptacle built in the microphone. This microphone hole. It comes with joystick. You can check. This joystick will come with the head unit together, and you can connect the cable arm back. Okay, it comes with long cable. This is our head unit. Let me show it. It comes with special harness plug and play. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can check. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can change this theme editor with gray, blue, purple. You can any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose red. All apps are here. This DSP amplifier, Bluetooth, and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's Google Maps, built in Google Maps. This is the link for Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the setting. You can check already connect Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi icon, and you can open our website. Okay, Amazon.com. Okay, let me check out our website, Belsee.com. And let me check the settings. Car settings, drum settings. This is reverse volume, watch video, and reversing experience, tracking display other information. It supports original stereo controls. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay, about motion you can check the it's RAM 4 GB. RAM 4 GB and PX6 Android 9 system PX6. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth streaming music and a device name and the pin number. Okay, please open your phone and enable Bluetooth. And click search button to search the phone. Click pair. Okay, your phone will get the message. Please put the 401234. Click OK. Now let me check the Bluetooth. You can also check your phone. No. Let me check. Okay, sorry for this pin number is 1234. 1234, not 40. Okay, it's connected Bluetooth 1234. Okay, it show connected. The Bluetooth this pin number 1234 not 40. Okay, it's connected. Your phone will get message. You can download the phone task contact listing. You can download it. You can allow or refuse it. Okay, already connected. It's pin number. You need to make sure it. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, Bluetooth is working for free phone call. Okay, hang up. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it's working with Bluetooth phone call. You can stop, you can play a game. Okay, you also control it on the joystick. Okay, let me show it have radio. This DSP amplifier. The head units come with two USB cable. You can connect the USB driver. It will play music automatically from USB. Okay, it works. And this DSP amplifier, and this settings, the sound field, and you can adjust balance. Okay, this DSP amplifier you can check. Okay, let me play the video. A video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. You can open the settings, car settings. This national driver settings, watch video. You can turn on the watch video and play video game. It supports 4K video. It's 4K video. Okay. Okay, this is our website. You can check. And if you have any more questions, please contact to us, belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.